Bonjour, class. All right, hi, Miss John's class. So, since I can't be there today to give you your test, I'm going to go ahead and record the listening section that we normally do all together at the beginning. And then you guys will work through the reading section and the writing section at your own pace, just like we usually do. But since your substitute teacher more than likely does not speak French, we're going to get this done this way so that way I can still figure out what you guys learned and show what you can do with your listening this week. So we're going to go through the format of the test first, and then we'll do the listening section together. So format of the test is just like always. We have a listening section, a reading section, and a writing section. You guys will all do the listening section with me in the beginning, and then you'll do the reading section and the writing section on your own. Please make sure to check what language you're supposed to be answering in. If it says write in English, write your answer in English. If it says write in French, write your answer in French. Okay? So, let's see. Your listening section has 5 questions. I will go through all of them. I'll tell you how many times I'm going to say each answer or each question, and then you all will have time to write them down. If ever we need to pause the video, or you guys need to pause the video, I won't pause the video. But if you ever need to pause the video or repeat something, that's just fine, okay? So let's get started, guys. Everybody take a look at number 1 of the listening section. I'm going to say each of these 3 times, okay? And then we'll move on to the next one. So number 1, get your pencils ready to go. These two, numbers 1 and 2, you will write your answer in English. I'm going to say French. French comes out of my mouth. English goes onto your paper. Okay. So, getting ready for number 1. Number 1. Got my handy dandy answers right here. All right, number 1. I speak French. You write down in English. Il est dans le salon. I'll do that 2 more times. Second time. Il est dans le salon. And last one, number 1, one last time. Il est dans le salon. Okay, we're going to move on to number 2. I'll say number 2 3 times as well. Okay? Number 2. Elle aime cuisiner dans la cuisine. I'll do that 2 more times, okay? Again, I am speaking French. English goes onto your paper. Elle aime cuisiner dans la cuisine. And last time for number 2. Elle aime cuisiner dans la cuisine. All right. Moving on to numbers 3 and 4. These are pronunciation questions, so I'll pronounce it correctly and I'll pronounce it incorrectly. You need to circle the version that's correct. So I'll say version 1, pronounce it, and I'll version 2, I'll pronounce it. You guys circle the version that's correct, okay? So number 3, number 3, get ready to go. I'm going to say these each 2 times, okay? Number 3, circle the one that's correct. Habiter, that's version 1. Version 2, habiter. Okay? Version 1, habiter. Version 2, habiter. Okay, moving on to number 4, same exact thing. I'm going to pronounce it correctly and incorrectly. You circle the one that's correct. Is it version 1 that's correct or version 2? Okay, number 4, version 1, dormir. Version 2, dormeur. All right, number 4, I'll do again. Version 1, dormir. Version 2, dormeur. That was my kitty. Okay, guys, and number 5. Excuse me, while very last one. This is a dictation. This is French to French. So French comes out of my mouth. French goes onto your paper. Okay, so French writing on this. Again, this is not a spelling test. So if you mess up or you're not sure how to spell it, that's okay. And because I'm not there to answer questions for you guys during the test, I'm going to be a little bit more lenient on grading and stuff like that because I know you guys won't have had me there during the test. So number 5, guys, I will say 3 times. Okay? This is a French to French. French out of my mouth, French onto your paper. Okay? Number 5. Elle est dans la chambre. All right. Number 5 again. Elle est dans la chambre. All right. And number 5, one more time. Elle est dans la chambre. And we'll do a bonus 4th time. Very last time on this one, okay? Number 5. Elle est dans la chambre. Okay, you guys are all set to go. You can work on the reading section and the writing section on your own pace. And bonne chance, bon weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Au revoir.